Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. Go straight to settings so you stop future charges. Open account settings, then billing to see active subscription and renewal date. Once visible, verify the payment method listed so you know which card or platform will stop being billed. Make a quick screenshot for proof in case of disputes. You're starting the cancellation now, don't navigate away, because the next step is immediate and tied to the platform managing your payment. Once you're in billing, choose Cancel Premium and follow the confirmation prompts. This stops recurring charges. If you subscribed through iOS, open your Apple ID subscriptions and cancel there. Apple handles renewals and may have different refund rules. For Android purchases, use Google Play subscriptions and cancel that entry. Make sure to wait for the on-screen confirmation message or email receipt. Without it, the cancellation might not have processed. Keep the confirmation timestamp for reference if needed. Finish by verifying your account shows no active premium and look for cancellation email. If you still see charges after canceling, collect evidence, screenshots of billing page, confirmation messages, and transaction receipts, then contact Roblox support or the App Store with those details. Also remember, cancellations usually keep benefits until the current billing period ends, so you won't lose days you paid for. If an unexpected renewal occurs, use your...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.